This is the original Citizen CT-500JS Calculator to be dispatched to Nitish Kumar, Coimbatore. And keys are working well. All the 12 keys are working. Display is also alright. Even the battery comes solar, fine. And this is the manual check, forward check, reverse check. This is the auto replay, working fine. Then this is made in Philippines. Original calculator. It has serial number 2023 MAH 69611, and we are using 2 inches thermocol for packing, so there won't be any physical damage to the calculator. Well packed using 2 inches thermocol, nothing will happen.